her birthday, Lydia asked for a present, which was a bird feeder to be mounted on the window. Well, push came to shove, and September passed, and then October, November, December, January. Now here it is February, and it's kind of warmed up a little bit. It's up about 33, 34 degrees, and things are melting down, and I'm thinking maybe I can get this thing to hang on the window and then have that little task done. Now the way this works, it has adhesive on the back of this little strip. And you peel it off and you stick it on the window. Now what I'm going to do is stick it on the window, and you want to have, there's a little notch here. You want to have that pointed up so it matches the notches in the feeder. I'm going to set that right there. That's going to be the 0 point. Actually warm enough out here, I don't need gloves. Good? Well, there's enough clearance on this that I hope I can just fold this little bit over. And free up that piece of stickum. Then I'm going to set this in there. And when I put this over that, set that like that, and then I hold that level and stick it in place. And there we go. We now have a bird feeder mounted on the window. And I'm hoping that it's going to stick really good. At least that's the plan. I have to go get some seed. Okay, got the seed now. We'll see if I can get it in there without spilling it all over. There we go. Now I could put more seed in there, but it's been my experience that you give them too much and they get in there and wallow around it and kick it out all over the place. That's why this bird feeder works so well. It has all the seed up in here in the main part of the cabinet, and then it just lets a little bit out of those ports here on under the windows. So they can get in there, but they don't kick it all out over the ground. They do kick a lot of it out over the ground, but not all of it. They were out here yesterday. I put up the bird feeder for the first time since long before Christmas. And they flocked in. The big ones that came in were the squirrels. They had one big black squirrel that jumped up on top of the roof, hooked his feet over the top of the roof, hung down the side. Came out, chased him off a couple of times, and he decided he was going to leave. But he'll be back. They get hungry, they come. And I don't mind them having a little bird seed if they don't pitch it out all over the ground. But sometimes you can't control what happens. But it's a lot of fun watching the little birds fly over here and eat. And now Lydia will be able to see him right through her window. Right now, the sun's coming in at such an angle that it's just warming the room right up. So the shades are closed, but it sure does look nice. And I bet the birds are going to have a fun time with it. Well, I'm going to go in and check on Lydia. But if you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.